Isa pong may tuwalya. Tsaka palagyan po ng itlog yung...
Tuwalya egg.
Apo, tuwalya egg. Isa pong tuwalya na walang egg.
Tapos isa pong tokwa. Dalawa na po yung tuwalya na may itlog. Tapos po ng... Ano yun? May malapit po yung soft drink.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
1.5 lang o kasalo.
Ha?
1.5. Oh, yung malaki.
Pasalo daw?
Kasalo po yun.
Pasalo. Pasalo yung babasagin. Yung kasalo.
Yan.
Ilan po
Kasalo.
isa?
Isa po. Nita, I'll pan it on you. You should be smiling like you're so happy.
Okay lang kahit hindi siya
Saan mo lagay?
Oh, no.
tuwalya. Ganun pa rin yung lasa, guys. Ever since, it's been what? 15 years? Nung huli tayong kumain. Ay, hindi pala.
7.
7 years pala. Madalas namin ito pinupuntahan. Diyan ka, Jessa. Tokwa. Patami yung tokwa. Tokwa nila. Tapos merong suka. Pababad sa suka. Sarap. Sarap.
Salt. They have what's the spicy? What's the salty fish sauce? They have fish sauce here. The magic sauce, Papa.
Magic sauce.
Can you ask the lady there? Hello, can I have patis?
Patis.
Patis, please. Yes, patis. Hello, can I have please?